Congratulations, you made it. Welcome to the Gain More Leverage Challenge. Here's where I'll be taking everything you know about management and teaching you how to become a leader. Everything you know about convincing and teaching you how to become a persuasion professional. Everything you know about outsourcing to teach you how to negotiate more beneficial and profitable partnerships. And lastly, all your experience gambling and making you into an investor. And I'll be doing all of that with one simple word. Leverage. I put a lot of work into this word, leverage. I put in a lot of time, a lot of research, even a lot of trial and error, right? And that's why I was able to create this challenge for you, the Gain More Leverage Challenge, to teach you all how to gain more leverage and negotiate more business. My name is Trevor Cassaberry, CEO of Cassaberry Consulting and author of the Further Hustler book series. And I'm presenting to you that when you gain more leverage and you do it the right way, it will literally take your career to the next level. I created this challenge during my time as a student, a mentor, and a coach for business, investing, and negotiation, which is why I was able to make the most accurate definition and description for the word leverage. What is leverage? It's the control of an asset or resource that multiple people, organizations, or entities believe is required for them to achieve their primary objective. And that's it on that. This is not going to be, your average boring training either. This is going to be a challenge that tests you to identify points of leverage at all times and immediately create and execute a plan to do exactly that. Gain more leverage. Make the investment in joining me in the Gain More Leverage Challenge so I can help you en route to negotiating your next 4-figure deal, 5-figure deal, maybe even 6-figure deal. And it doesn't matter if it's a salary negotiation, a sale, or a partnership negotiation, because we'll cover all three of those in this 5-day challenge. You can scroll down below to hear about what some of my past clients and now some of my current partners can tell you about what I've taught them about negotiation themselves. And I just want to congratulate you again on being here at the right place at the perfect time, and I'll see you on the other side. Again, my name is Trevor Cassaberry, CEO of Cassaberry Consulting and author of the Further Hustler book series. Peace.